Hey, this is DJ Martin coming from you from SEMA 2019. We're at the TrickFlow Specialties booth, and Mike from TrickFlow Specialties is going to show off the new Gen X 280 LS series cylinder head from TrickFlow. So what you got, Mike?
So the evolution of the product, as you can imagine, customers want to make more power. So our first head, the 255 Gen X 255, was intended to be a bolt-on head. As people are adding more and more power adders, there was a need for a bigger head. Thus the evolution of this product. So first of all, it's a hipped casting, so much stronger than a standard casting. Upgraded valves, larger port, better performance.
Awesome. And when will these be available?
We're hoping early 2020. We're working on them now, so it shouldn't be long.
Awesome. So check out these awesome heads and many other products from TrickFlow at trickflow.com. This is DJ Martin from GarageGuruTV signing off. Hey, this is DJ Martin from GarageGuruTV. We're at the Holley booth at SEMA 2019. I'm here with Jeff from Holley. He's going to show off the new Terminator and Terminator Max X kits.
Appreciate it. Yeah, so on your left you have Terminator X. It's for all of your fuel injection needs. We have basically Holley has a complete line of engine management systems, but these are some of the newest to market, some of the most economically priced for guys who just want to do a quick swap. Terminator X, if you're just doing engine management. Terminator X Max, you have the ability to do transmission control, drive-by-wire throttle bodies. Really, these were made for guys who were wanting to do quick engine pullouts and swaps, and we just wanted to give guys something affordable so anybody can use fuel injection.
Awesome. So if you're looking for an affordable yet powerful fuel injection system, look no further than Holley.com for your Terminator X and Terminator X Max kits. Hey, this is DJ Martin from GarageGuruTV. We are here at SEMA 2019 at the Stop Tech booth, and Eric is going to show off their new finish for many of their new brake calipers, the nickel-plated finish. So what do you got?
Right, so the trophy line of our calipers are more motorsport focused, additional machine work for reduced weight and a really great look. And we've updated this design with this nickel plated finish. Really has a great pop, holds up really well under motorsport conditions. We've had over 50 hours of racing, thousands of laps done on these calipers, and they come back in almost a like new condition. So we're really happy with some of the new features that we have there. A couple new caliper designs. We have our new lightweight C61 race caliper that we're adding into our racing lineup, along with some of our existing racing calipers. But yeah, so big brake kits for the wide variety of motorsport, late model, high performance vehicles that we offer. We have the painted options as well as the new nickel plated options, and as well as some lightweight motorsport focused stuff for things like S2000, FRS, VRZ, E36 and E46 M3s, things that you really see being used in like NASA and SCCA racing.
And when will these be available?
Starting in 2020, the nickel lineup's going to be available on everything. Right now we do have some availability through select dealers on certain applications, some BMW applications and some Honda S2000 stuff. But it's going to go wide release in 2020.
Awesome. You heard it here from Stop Tech. You can check out these awesome products as well as many more at stoptech.com. This is DJ Martin from GarageGuruTV.